There are a total of 3 feet that come with the Singer Start 1304 sewing machine. So I want to show you how you take your feet on and off, and know that you should check out Singer's website because there is a handful of accessories that you can add to this machine for feet that do other styles of sewing. So here's all you need to do. You don't even need a screwdriver. So this foot actually is going to slide towards you, and you're going to notice that there's a little bar on the foot. So this bar, and it's like little mouth area here, they connect. So you're just going to slide that up, push in till it clicks. So the one thing I don't want you to do is don't push down. Just make sure you're drawing the foot towards you, out of its mouth for safety, and then that little lip doesn't get broken off. I have seen people do that accidentally. On the zipper foot, you'll notice that you actually can attach it to the left side or the right side. There's 2 bars, so that helps you get on one side of the zipper or the other. We'll show you a video on how to do a zipper and use this foot. The buttonhole foot actually attaches here. Make sure the B is in the back, and then it actually works like this. And so the little bar is near the front, so just make sure you don't get that on upside down. All right, so that's how that one goes. There are some feet, like a free motion quilting foot, you'll actually take this screw off to attach, but most of the feet are considered snap-on feet.